So we are here at Disney Hollywood Studios this morning, and we're kind of getting a late start recording because, well, this is our first trip here, and we were going crazy from the minute we walked in. We were able to not only get a Rise of the Resistance boarding pass this morning, first thing this morning, which was awesome, but then we rode Slinky Dog Dash for the first time ever. Actually, all these rides are the first time ever. Toy Story Mania here, which we've done in Disneyland, but not here at Disney World. And then we just got off of the Mickey and Minnie's Railroad. I'm not all up on the names yet, but I'll get to them. But so we've been going crazy because the crowds have been awesome. We did a walk-on to Slinky Dog Dash, almost a walk-on on Toy Story Mania, and only about a 10-minute wait for the Railroad ride. And now we're gonna start relaxing a little, slowing down and enjoying our trip today. My 45th birthday, and we're spending it at Disney. There's not much of a better way to do that. I only wish the rest of my girls were here, and a bunch of family on both sides of my family would be awesome to have here as well. But we're gonna walk around, get a bunch of footage this morning, and just have a blast. So we'll see you along the way. Not real sure how good the audio is gonna be on this, but we're just happy to be here. I mean, we've been living in Florida now for 6 months, and with no APs being sold, you know, we just decided to pull the trigger and get the Florida passes, and we're just stoked to be here and trying to soak it all in, even though we've been running around here like crazy this morning already. So we're gonna try to slow down and just enjoy our time here. Yeah, wherever you want to go, baby, I'm fine. You want to try this?
Yeah, let's see if they have ears.
We are looking for Mickey ears, which are kind of customary for our family here.
Oh, that's the entrance. Okay, thank you. What?
Apparently that's not the entrance. Hey there.
Oh, Disney and Company will probably have them.
We are obviously still very much learning. We know Disneyland like the back of our hands, but this is our first trip to any Disney World park, and so we are obviously very unsure where we're going. Love for you to comment below, give us some tips, tricks, things that you know and have learned you want to share with us. We'd love to hear. That's the exit, baby doll. Oh, yeah.
They still have ears over there too, I think. So we'll check those. That's it? Yeah, and then. Oh yeah, they have them.
Oh, this is a really cool store. Awesome. I love it. I know I'm like a big kid when I come to Disney, but that's okay. Not seeing the price here, but that's okay. Now we'll come back later, it's fine. Did they get what they wanted?
Yeah.
Awesome. Success on the Mickey ears.
It's on the way.
I'm gonna get stuff later on. I don't want to carry it around. The more weight we have now. No. That's all right. tons of stuff that I am still learning. Getting myself familiarized with. I've heard these are all new. Maybe those of you that are in the know can tell me what a nuimo is, if that's how you say it. I'm not even sure if that's how you say it. I've heard you buy them and dress them. So, okay. So the good chance we will be coming back here a little bit later in the afternoon to pick up some awesomeness. Is that the one you like? And babe. Oh. This is my family, by the way. Some of them. Hello. They don't mind being on camera with their faces covered. Two of my other girls, older girls, are living life, doing their dream, you know, kind of thing. So having fun. Wish they were here with me on my birthday, but that's okay. It's a cool store. We'll come back and or keep looking around for other stores too. So my wallet tends to be very open at Disney World or Disney in general. So unfortunately, or fortunately, I guess however you look at it. Anyway, we'll catch up with you here in a little bit. We're doing whatever we want to do. That's the awesome thing about it.
Want to go back to Toy Story Land?
Sure, we can take a walk and take our time this time. Soak it in.
You're right, Mark. But basically,
Or do you, how far out is our boarding pass?
like train.
I think we're still a little over an hour away, but I'll have to tell you all the story about how we got our boarding pass this morning. I'll tell you, it was first time, first trip. Followed some tips that we saw online and it worked great.
Just a few more. Face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth.
Pretty intense, actually.
You are drinking while stationary. Guests that do not comply will be entertained. Clean your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth.
What's over that way? So what is over that way?
Either that one back there
Just
or
to
that.
see what's over there?
They might have it over there.
Come on, JJ.
Yeah, I
Of
knew
course,
it.
anybody watching this video that's been here knows exactly where we're going. I don't, so.
You want a beer? I'm gonna give him one down there at the bowl crew.
Do you know where we're heading? Where this takes us? I'm not sure we're gonna have time if the waiting for the Galaxy's Edge is, or for Rise of the Resistance is an hour, babe. I'm not sure we're gonna have the time. Check the wait time for this. So what's funny is for those of you that have never been to Disneyland, okay, okay, is it? Ooh, it is. Let's not mess with that yet. We'll come back. As I was saying, for those that are not familiar, I think we're going to turn around first off. I interrupt myself all the time. Let's turn around and head back that way then, guys.
To Toy Story Land?
Yeah, that's fine. That way we're closer to, it's a little bit closer to Star Wars land. Anyway,
Closer to right.
we were walking towards the Hollywood Tower of Terror. Interestingly enough, for those that don't know, Disneyland California Adventure Park actually used to have the same ride and then changed the facade and the whole theme to a Marvel ride. So my third daughter, who is here today, is totally stoked about riding Tower of Terror because that was one of her favorite rides, and so hopefully get to enjoy the
Okay, are you gonna
old facade.
the Tower of Terror?
I think both of our girls are going to ride it. My wife and I may sit that one out. I don't know. We'll see.
Look at the line to make your name.
Yep, I know it.
We did it just in
Well, I tell you, we were really blessed this morning because we, I think, rode 3 of the really popular rides quite easily, actually. So that was awesome. Morning crowds are here as always. That line was not there for the, babe, correct me, what's the name of that? Is the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad? Ah, got it, awesome. Railway, not railroad, sorry. I blew it, that's okay.
I guess it's RRR.
Yeah. Let's go that way. We're going back to Toy Story Land, right?
Yeah. Do you want to go through here? Probably.
If we can, sure. I guess we can.
We don't have
So without the annual passes being sold, we basically bought the 4-day resident pass. Decided to start here as our first Disney World park.
Hey Steph, can you look to see how long the swirling saucer?
Of course, we are looking forward to going to Magic Kingdom just to be able to get that customary picture in front of the castle. God willing, that is. Hoping to get that.
I know, that's why I think she got it.
Isn't it like the teacup version or alien version of teacups or no? Oh, okay.
It's like made of
Gotcha. So we almost ran through here earlier today, so we're going to take our time and just kind of walk and soak it in. Disneyland had a land called Bug's Land, and from It's a Bug's Life, and we loved walking through there. They have now closed it and are changing it and renovating it, I think, to be a part of the Marvel universe. So I'm really super stoked to see that there is another land like this that you can just kind of lose yourself in and feel like a, I guess, feel like a kid, feel like a toy. I don't care. You know what? I'm gonna embrace my kidness while I'm here. I have to adult 365 days a year, so I'm gonna take a day and enjoy being a kid. This is awesome.
Look at me, I'm way up high.
Yeehaw! And this here Slinky Dog Dash is the high-flyingest
Jesse, Rex.
toy in Andy's backyard.
Gotta love the Army men.
Oh, there's enough space here to hold all the ideas.
We said one day these toys would come.
That's awesome.
New toys in the backyard? Welcome. I'd love to come down and shake your hands. Really, I just love to come down for any reason.
We really had a good time on that this morning. It's an awesome little roller coaster. Oh, I didn't even realize that Rex was sitting on Jenga blocks.
Oh, yeah.
Where's Steph?
There she is.
Oh.
Stephanie. Let's go get a mic for this
Tinker
one.
Toys. We already went on Toy Story Mania. Of course, I had to. I'm pretty too competitive for that ride. I think I got the best workout I've had in about 6 months.
And that's your clothing.
40 minutes for Slinky right now. Makes me feel really blessed that we had almost a walk on this morning, so that was awesome. think we are going to try to ride that again later on. We're just trying to get some of these other rides in as we closer to our boarding pass time for Rise of the Resistance. And I think we're going to go ride this right now. The alien swirling saucers. 10 minutes. All right, let's do it. Where are we going? Oh, it's over there. Yep. People would not have been happy with us. I just love the detail that Disney goes into.
That's why we kind of want to stay here.
Just make things so immersive. What'd you say?
We go. His spaceship. His box.
Oh yeah. That was his spaceship from Toy Story, the first movie. Awesome.
I didn't even notice the Scrabble pieces. Having technical difficulties?
Where?
Oh, for the restroom.
Oh yeah. The attention to detail is incredible.
Yeah, the cereal box.
For the health and safety of everyone.
Oh, it's a blaster. Girl. No, this is a blaster.
This looks like the blaster from Disneyland. They have in Tomorrowland the Buzz Lightyear blaster game, which is awesome. It looks like the same blaster from that, which of course you'd expect it to. Looks awesome.
Thank you.